Hi there, it's Dr. John DeGarmo, the Foster Care Institute. Tip of the week. And this week we're looking at 3 tips that you can do to make visitations easier for everybody involved. Now, we know how important visitations are in order to keep the bonds and the relationships between the children and the birth parents. We also know how important it is for reunification. But sometimes visitations can also be a time of stress. Sometimes visitations can be a little bit difficult. Sometimes it can be adding a little bit of anxiety to foster parents' lives. So tip number 1 is this. Consider packing some healthy snacks and healthy drinks for the child to go along during their visitations. Now, if you have established some type of healthy diet in your home for the child and they go to visitations, there are those times they might come back to your home after the visitation filled up with some food and some drink that doesn't really correspond with your diet. And sometimes the children are bouncing off the walls, so to speak, right? Sure, we've all been there. So again, consider some healthy snacks and healthy drinks for the child to take along with them, or a packet in their bag for the visitation. Tip number 2, have a book or maybe coloring book for the birth parent to sit down and read to the child, or maybe color or draw with the child. Finally, tip number 3, pack a game or maybe some toys that the parents can do along with the child during the visitation. Something that they both can engage in together that takes a lot of stress off the birth parent having to come up with some ideas to engage or keep the child active at the same time. When you do these 3 tips, not only are you helping yourself, not only are you helping the child, but you're helping the birth parents as well. It's called co-parenting. And it just might strengthen the relationship between you and the birth parents as well. Hey, for more tips, check out the best-selling book, The Foster Care Survival Guide, available at all good bookstores and, of course, here at the Foster Care Institute. For the Foster Care Institute, I'm Dr. John DeGarmo.